Hey everyone, and welcome back to Travel Fans. Today we're taking you inside the estate 4-bedroom residence here at Grace Bay Club in Turks and Caicos. This oceanfront residence sleeps up to 8 guests with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, making it a great choice for families or groups traveling together. Throughout your stay, you'll also have a private concierge that you can easily reach through WhatsApp if you need anything. Let's head inside and check it out. As soon as you walk in, you're welcomed by this huge open concept living space with plenty of comfortable seating and incredible views of Grace Bay Beach. Just off the living room is a full wet bar with a wine refrigerator, and just past that is the kitchen. The kitchen is fully stocked with just about everything you could need, including full-size appliances, dishes, silverware, and plenty of counter space if you're planning on cooking during your stay. The fridge was stocked with fresh cans of water every day, but there isn't an ice maker, so if we needed ice, we simply messaged our concierge and they brought it right up. Continuing down the hallway, you'll find a full laundry room with a washer and dryer. This also connects to 3 of the 4 bedrooms on this side of the residence. The first bedroom features a king-size bed, a TV, dresser, and plenty of closet space for longer stays. It also has its own private balcony, giving you a quiet place to enjoy some fresh air away from the main living areas. Each room has access to a bathroom as well, and the setup of the bathrooms is more or less the same in each room. There's a shower with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash provided, a tub, a separate room for the toilet, and a vanity with 2 sinks. Overall, this room feels spacious, comfortable, and has everything you'd expect for a relaxing stay. Next are the 2 Jack and Jill style bedrooms. The first room includes another king-size bed, along with a TV and dresser, and both of these bedrooms share a balcony that's perfect for stepping outside and enjoying the tropical views. Each room also has a reusable water bottle, and you can fill that up throughout the resort. Connecting the 2 rooms is a shared bathroom, which features double sinks along with a separate shower and toilet area, making it easy for multiple guests to get ready at the same time. The second bedroom has 2 full-size beds, making it a great setup for kids or additional guests, while still offering plenty of space, storage, and a great view. Now let's head out to one of the best parts of the residence, the star of the show, which you've all been waiting for, the main oceanfront balcony. There's a comfortable outdoor couch, several lounge chairs, a big dining table for outdoor meals, and your own private hot tub. Unfortunately, the hot tub wasn't working during our stay, and we also had some issues with the cable in the living room. But thankfully, streaming apps like YouTube and Amazon Prime work just fine for a movie night. Even with those small issues, it's really hard to beat spending time out here with these incredible views of Grace Bay Beach. Last but certainly not least, we have the master suite. This room features a king-size bed, a seating area, a TV, and direct access to the main balcony. So you can step outside and enjoy those ocean views whenever you want. The master bathroom is equally impressive, with double vanities, a large soaking tub, a spacious walk-in shower, and plenty of room to get ready. This room also has a very nice closet, complete with a safe for those valuable items. Between the size of the room, the beautiful views, and access to the main balcony, this is definitely a great place to end the day. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay in the estate 4-bedroom residence at Grace Bay Club. The spacious layout, beautiful beachfront location, and concierge service made it a fantastic place for our group. Regardless of the minor maintenance issues, we had an amazing vacation. If you enjoyed this room tour and want to know more about the resort, make sure to check out our full Grace Bay Club resort review. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Travel Fans, where we make your travel better.